Good afternoon, everybody. Fanman Steve here. Once again, it is Tuesday, August the 30th. We are getting closer and closer to my favorite time of the year, which is fall. It has been a long month here. I've had a lot going on, and I had just got back from South Carolina, and the last few videos that you saw were videos that I filmed when I was up there at my brother's place. And this is something very special that I brought back. This is a 9-inch Comfort Zone high velocity fan. And I got this from a friend for doing a job for her. I did a job for her, and this was a little gift that I got from her, and I'm pretty sure that it was $20, but it is in its box here, and we're going to go over the features. We're going to go over the great things that it can do, and we're going to have an unboxing and a demonstration. And if any of you had seen the comment that I posted on one of Jordan Yu's recent videos, that he had one of these fans in one of his other videos that he made of the fans running in his house, and I'm making a video of it today, just as I said I was going to do. It's a really neat little fan. I still have it in its original box, as you can see, but I got this about a couple of days ago, and I've used it the last few nights that I was staying up there. We're going to go over it, and it is a 9-inch high velocity fan. It has 3 speeds, powerful airflow, all metal construction, and fully assembled, and 360-degree adjustable tilt. And the model is CZHV9BDG. And there's the side of it. That basically just goes over the same thing that it did on the front. 3-speed rotary control. Has a good adjustable tilt to it. Pretty much everything on the other side and the back is all in Spanish. So let's go ahead and get this undone here. Okay, here it is. It's good old glory. It's a really cool looking fan. Let's have a closer look at it here. This is very well built, very well put together. It has a really cool design to it, and it was made by Comfort Zone, and I've seen a lot of good fans made by this particular company. Something else that's really cool about this, you see the center hub there? It's bolted on, and the blades are mounted on over a plastic hub there. Has a good pitch to it too. And it has a C-framed motor back there, and it's all held together with 4 Phillip head screws. Let's turn it around. Here's Here's the back of it. There's the speed control, typical 3-speed. It's a cool looking knob. There's the handle for carrying. I'm not exactly sure how you can carry it. And here is the power cord. And it does have a fuse on it. And I don't think it's polarized. And I do believe that is just the serial number and whatnot there on the back and the model number. There's a really nice tilting feature to it. You can basically tilt all the way back. Let's have a look at the instruction manual here. Just has all the features, the on and off switch speed settings, as well as the adjustable tilt, quiet vibration, free performance. And I do believe that this is what this was designed for. All metal construction and safety grills, draws 120 volts and AC and 60 hertz. And there's the website, www.comfortzoneproducts.com. Save these instructions. There's the back. It is a limited warranty, but I'm gonna see how I can prove these limited warranty companies wrong. Just pause that to read over it if you have to. Intended use: this product is indeed intended for indoor, residential, and office use only, not for industrial or other commercial applications. Use only with electrical wiring that's in good working order and that meets applianceable codes and ordinances. If you have any questions whether your wiring is accurate, consult a qualified electrician. While you're using the fan, you should follow the important instructions listed below. As part of these instructions, we have used the word warning to indicate the level of hazard. Warning indicates a hazard which, if not avoided, could result in injury or death. I think we all know this. And just pause it to go over all of that if you have to. These are basically just all the safety instructions and whatnot. I think anyone with a rightful mind would understand the instructions and the dangers that these things come with. Don't stick your finger in the fan, it'll cut your finger off. Usage, care and maintenance, and there's the fuse replacement. I really don't have the time to read over all of it, so just pause it. And I really can't put it in the editor because for some reason that wasn't able to go through the editor here lately. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in, and we'll see it in action. Really neat cord on it too. That's nice insulation. It's not stiff, and it's not to where, you know, it's easier to frayed or crack or anything like that. So I think this is going to work out very well. All right. Got it plugged in. Okay. And it starts up from low to medium to high. So we'll start it up here on the low speed. Here we go. Okay, great. It's very quiet. It takes a few minutes to start up. It's still having its time of use, with especially with this thing coming out of the box and with there being no hours on it. It's putting out a nice gentle breeze. This is a big hefty towel, and the box states exactly what it's capable of. Let's go ahead and knock it up to medium. There's no vibration on this whatsoever. Runs very smooth. So that hub that was designed for this thing provides good balance for it. Okay, let's go ahead and kick it up to high. Let's have a look at that pitch. Like I said, there's no vibration to it. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll turn it off. Spin down to it really isn't all that special, and eventually I know this thing is, I'm going to have to do some lubrication on this thing. And Jordan, I know that you're going to chime in and you're going to tell me to do the exact same thing, but if anyone is foolish enough to fall for the permanent lubrication joke, all I have to say is ha ha. Any fan with a whether it has whether regardless of what bearing it may have on it, it's going to require lubrication sometime or another. Okay, fan does actually have a startup sound to it. I'll put it up to the back here to where you can hear it. We'll start it up here from the low speed. Here we go. Okay, now the medium. Okay, and now the high speed. Probably the best startup sound for this thing would be the low speed or the medium. Uh, so there you have it, everybody. Maybe I may have to take this thing apart and p- pump a few drops of oil in there. It does come to a stop rather quickly. If the thing came out of the factory lubricated, then maybe after a few days of running it after a time, the spin down will progressively get even better. So, well, I hope that you've enjoyed, everybody. I know that I'm definitely going to like this. This is a really cool fan. This is going to be my travel fan. This is the fan that I will use when I am going from place to place. So this is also going to be a good sleeping fan, and I may use it for a shop fan in the fall time. And I'll just go ahead and I'll reveal a few other upcoming projects that I'll be throwing into the mix. These are two blower fans that I picked up in South Carolina, and technically I rescued these. These were going to get thrown away. These came out of a furnace that came out of a family member's house, and there's some motors and there's some condenser motors. So hopefully those might be the next thing that you'll be seeing on the video. I'll be making a project out of that. Well, anyway, everybody, post comments, like, subscribe, and I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and more to come, and bye-bye.